Welcome to the Queensdale Triplex. This is the progress video. So you have seen the before video. If you haven't, it's in the description below. Click the link and you'll see the video of the before, of how it looks before. This is the progress video. This is a big change so far. We've got a second story up here. The second floor has cathedral ceilings, which is absolutely stunning. The owner here has literally hit all the main points that I've recommended, and I find that is the most required items when creating a beautiful, large, spacious, practical, in-demand apartment. So some of these items are, if you're creating a 2-bedroom, you want to make sure that those bedrooms are large and good size. So none of these small 8x8s or things that are just like, oh, you got to cram in a single bed in there. No, you want to make sure that they can cram in, fit in a comfortable queen size bed with dressers and closets and enough space to actually walk around the bed. The other item that the owner here has hit upon is a custom washer and dryer room, or laundry room, where they're side by side. And they're gonna have a sink as well, which is very rare when it comes to these smaller apartments in the triplexes. The other thing he's hit upon is the open concept kitchen and living room, and they're good sizes too. So it's not just like, they're crammed in, no, that's a living room too. No, this is gonna be a L-shaped kitchen with a kitchen island and a good sized living room that has room for at least 1 or 2 couches with a coffee table and a TV, etc. The basement is underpinned right now, so it's full of sand, and it's as you can see in the video here, it's not much to show, but it's in a state that's going to be finished, but right now it's not in good shape or to see what you're seeing right now. Again, these are all going to be 2-bedroom units, a triplex in East York, high demand area. And what the owner has done again is he's hit all the main points. The outdoor space here, the backyard is gonna have, like for the main floor, it's gonna have a walkout deck. The basement's also gonna have an area that they can use, which is rare. So normally people don't have outdoor space when they're in basement apartments. So the owner is going to create an outdoor area for the basement. The upstairs has their walkout deck. Again, all these areas, outdoor space, great sized laundry room, spacious 2 bedrooms, open concept kitchen and living room. All is a great recipe for a luxurious triplex that will be in demand. Stay tuned for the final reveal. I can't wait. This is going to be amazing. Talk to you soon.